You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -181 over 102. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 81 over 2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 17. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -181 over 102.